Hello, today I'm going to show you how can we apply filter which can be then reflected to multiple tables. So for this purpose I created very simple project with 4 tasks, and if we go to view tab and resource sheet, we will see that we have John, Mary, Peter and Paula. So for that purpose I assign John and Mary to task 1, Peter and Paula to task 2, John and Paula to task 3, and Mary and Peter to task 4. Let's say that we want to filter only tasks which are assigned to John, or John is assigned to them. So you can see I'm here in entry table, and which table do I use? Can be shown here. If I go here in the upper left corner, and if I right click, you will see entry table. Now I can go to here and I can say, okay, but I want to see only John's task. So I will deselect all, okay, and I will say I want to see only task for John. And I will see task 1 and task 3. Okay, this is for entry table. Now I will go here, right click on the upper left corner, and I will say, okay, I want the costs. To see cost, of course, I didn't put anything here. Let me put here something like 100, 200, 300 euros, 400, just for example. And if I go back to Gantt chart, I will see that task 1 costs 2,400 euros and task 3 12,000 euros, but those tasks are assigned to John. Not only to John, but John is assigned to those tasks. That is my filter. Now let's go to work. For example, I will go here, right click, and let's say work. I want to see, okay, how many hours are going to be spent by John, Mary, and John and Paula on a task, but only on those tasks which are assigned to John. Okay, that is great. But now, this is advantage. When you put a filter in one view, in my example Gantt chart, no matter which table you are using, you will get those tasks filtered. Okay, no matter which table. So in Gantt chart, in entry table, I applied filter for John, and no matter which table I will use, for example, let's go to cost, I will see only those tasks. But disadvantage is if I want to turn filter off, I cannot do it here, for example, in cost table, because I cannot see resources. Resources are in entry table. So I can go here and click select all, okay, in entry table. Then I can switch to cost table and I will see all tasks. The same is with work table, okay. Or what I can do, if I apply filter here, okay, in Gantt chart view in entry table, and if I go to cost table, for example, and now I want to turn the filter off, what I can do, I can here add column resource name. And here I will see also resource like I see in entry table. Okay, let's go back to cost table. Okay, and now I can switch the filter off. Or vice versa. If I want, let's say, go to work table and I want to see, okay, I see all tasks, but I want to see only tasks which on which John is assigned to. I can add here table, column resource names, and I can say, okay, I want to see only for John. And that's it. That's it. I will see task 1 and task 3. And if I jump back to entry, you can see everything is here, task 1 and task 3. Everything, by everything, I mean only those tasks which are assigned to John. And now I can deselect filter here. And if I deselect filter here, it will be applied to any other table in this view. But let's say that what will happen if I, let's say, put John here in Gantt chart view, and now I go to task usage view. In task usage view, this filter is not applied. So I should here create a filter, and then if I switch, for example, from task usage view from table to table, I will have opportunity or possibility to that filter be applied to all other tables in particular view. So once again, Gantt chart view, filter is applied, okay, and that filter, when it is applied to Gantt chart view, it will be applied to every single table which we use for that particular view in Gantt chart view. Okay, in my case, Gantt chart view. If I want to be the same filter to be applied in another view, okay, for example, here, what should I do? I should apply it manually again. So filter once applied to one view, it is applied to all tables in that particular view. If you change the view, you should apply the filter, that one or other one, and it will be then be applied to that view to all tables like I showed you in a Gantt chart. So I hope this helps. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.